926 Las Vegas Tower, traffic short final. Additional chat will hold in position and depart prior to your arrival. Wind 130 at 6, runway 1 left, clear to land.
1 left, clear to land, Reid.
With 1202 upon completion of your 180, wind 140 at 6, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff 1 right, Southwest 1202.
Mexico 41 Las Vegas Tower, you all set?
Afirmative, Mexico 481.
Mexico 41, full length to runway 1 right, line up and wait.
Full length, runway 01 right, line up and wait out of Mexico 481.
947 Las Vegas Tower, good afternoon. Traffic's on a 6-mile final, runway 1 left at Bravo, line up and wait.
47, 1 left at Bravo, line up and wait.
Your 265, turn right at November, if able.
Right turn, November, square 265.
265, traffic's in position, cross runway 1 right, contact ground point 1.
Clear to cross, 1 right, main ground, runway 265.
47, wind 130 at 4, runway 1 left at Bravo, clear for takeoff.